Maayong adlaw mga kahigalaan, ako si Chakoy and welcome sa 4th episode sa Wandering Kusina. Sa 4th episode natin, ang lulutuin natin is Lechon Belly at ang magluluto niyan is our resident chef, Chef Mark. Chef Mark, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Si Chef Mark is from Pampanga at saka siya yung magluluto ng Lechon Belly recipe natin. Okay, Chef Mark, ano yung mga ingredients natin na nandito?
Our main ingredients is 2.5 kilo of
Pork belly. Okay.
And then we have rosemary,
Okay.
bay leaf, 4 stick of
Lemongrass or tanglad and yung spring onions natin. Alright?
We have garlic, chopped garlic. And
Ilang piraso itong chopped garlic?
2.
2 bulbs to Chef Mark. Okay.
Then we have 2 tablespoons of
Soy sauce. Okay.
And 3 tablespoons of garlic powder
Alright.
and pepper.
Peppercorn, which ika-crush natin mamaya yan.
Salt.
And salt. And then guys, obviously, we have this twine kasi babalutin natin yung lechon belly natin later once mahalo na natin yung recipe natin. Alright?
Okay.
Okay? Simulan na natin yung preparation process ng lechon belly natin. We'll be back. Okay, Chef Mark, simulan na natin yung process nating paggawa ng lechon. So, anong unang gagawin po natin?
First, kailangan patuyuin natin yung belly.
So, dapat dry siya.
Dry.
Mm-hmm.
Yung balat, dapat dry.
Okay. Ngayong dry na siya.
Now, need to slice horizontal.
Okay, so hihiwain natin siya. Hanggang parang halfway lang. Okay. Hindi sagad.
Hindi sagad. Para pumasok lang yung ano.
Yung mga lasa. Okay. So nagda-diamond yung shape ng mga meat pieces natin na inihiwa natin. Pagkahiwa niya is halfway lang nung meat. So hindi talagang sagad.
Dapat ganyan.
Good. So ang susunod natin is?
Sunod is salt.
Okay lang ba tong rock salt or we can use iodized salt as well? Right?
Any kind of salt.
Any kind of salt, okay. Siguraduhin nyo lang po, malinis yung mga kamay nyo pag hinawakan nyo yung baboy.
Next, pepper.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, malinis po yung kamay namin. So nakikita niyo po yung process namin. Parang ginaganyan po namin yan para pumasok yung mga ingredients, yung mga pepper at saka salt natin.
Next is
So next is garlic. Ang susunod natin is yung
garlic powder.
garlic powder. I know you ask, bakit may garlic powder pa? Eh, may fresh garlic naman tayo. Pero usually po, ang garlic powder, may kakaiba siyang taste na hindi mo totally malalasahan din sa fresh garlic. Na mas lalo siyang napapasarap ng anumang lutuin. And then, our bay leaves. So, nasa gitna na siya. Rosemary. Spring onions. And then, yung lemongrass natin.
Ito yung last is soy sauce.
So, soy sauce. Enough na ba yan? Okay guys, so nandun na yung lahat ng ingredients natin, nalagay na natin. Ngayon, i-roll natin to at may twine tayo na gagamitin para magiging compact na siya. So may nagupit na po tayong mga twine. Isa pa. Just to make sure na talagang compact yung meat natin. So Chef Mark, while ginagawa natin to, later on, malalagyan ba natin to ng mantika? O mamaya pa? Mamaya pa.
Then foil pa.
At foil. Okay. We'll just have to make sure na mapasok natin yung mga nasa edges niya ng mga meat.
Balutin na.
So babalutin na natin to ng foil. Okay. Bakit natin babalutin to ng foil?
Para hindi siya masunog agad.
Okay, at saka parang niluluto din niya yung heat, parang in-steam yung loob ng baboy itself. Okay.
I-oven natin siya ng 1.5 hour with the foil.
So it's 1.5 hours naka-foil and then another 1.5 hours para maluto siya. So guys, alam niyo na kung gaano kahaba kayong maghihintay ng para maluto yung lechon. So right now, andito na po yung ano natin. Ready na po yung lechon belly natin. Ilalagay na po natin to sa oven. And as what Chef Mark said, 1.5 hours din natin tong ilalagay sa oven na may foil. And after which, another 1.5 hours na tatanggalin na nasa oven na wala ng foil. So that's a total of 3 hours. But we'll have to check every now and then kung luto na siya or hindi. So, we'll get back to you. Alright, yung lechon natin nasa oven na. So, FYI, yung oven natin, by the way, is preheat natin ng 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Okay? And, Chef Mark, while nasa oven
Okay,
na
habang hinihintay natin yung 1.5 hour, mag-prepare tayo ng oil mix. Pangpahid. Ng mantika at toyo.
Wala namang specific na sukat to. So, ito yung ipampahid natin after ma-steam yung lechon natin. Ito po yung magpapalasa lalo ng balat ng lechon at magpapa-crispy lalo doon. So, right now, it's in the oven. Hintayin na lang natin yung 1.5 hours na yun. And we'll be back as soon as ilabas na namin yung lechon na yun. Okay? Chef Mark?
Okay.
Okay. Guys, 1.5 hours is done. And ngayon, ito na po yung steamed na lechon natin. Bakit steamed? Kasi binalutan natin siya nung foil and hinayaan natin yung juice at saka yung mga ibang ingredients na nagpo-produce ng tubig niya na siya mismo ang luluto nung meat at saka nung buong belly natin. So ngayon, bubuksan na natin to. Okay?
Okay, bubuksan na natin ang lechon.
Okay.
Ang bango.
For sure. Ang sasarap kaya ng ingredients na nilagay natin.
See?
Yun. Tingnan mo yung juice. Kita nyo yan, guys. Ang ganda, di ba? So, binutasan na natin yung foil para yung juice mismo mag-drain doon sa pan natin. Now, at tatanggalin muna natin siya, alright? So, now, papahira natin siya ng
soy sauce.
Mantika with soy sauce. Okay, there you go. So, sisiguraduhin natin lahat ng parte ng lechon natin is mapapahira nitong mixture na to. Tapos, i-turn over lang natin. So, once again, buong roll po ng lechon, yung belly natin, we have to brush it with the oil and soy sauce mixture na ginawa natin earlier.
Okay na.
Okay, 1 oras at kalahati na naman para maluto at maging crispy itong lechon natin. Now, FYI, towards the end of 1.5 hours, like let's say for 30 minutes, kailangan nating buksan ng konti yung oven natin para mas makuha namin yung texture na magiging crispy siya lalo. We need to have it slightly open. Siguro mga 2 or 3 inches, tama? Para lang sumingaw yung init at doon mangyayari yung pagiging crispy ng balat ng lechon. So we're going to do that. And now, ibabalik na namin to sa oven, guys. And we'll be back after 1.5 hours. Okay? So, Chef Mark, ibalik na natin.
Okay.
Alright. And we'll be back. Okay, Chef Mark, mukhang napakasarap na lechon natin. So, ready na ba to?
Ready na yan.
Okay, so ano na guys? Ihiwain na natin, titirahin na natin to. Ang crispy. There you go guys, andito na yung lechon belly namin and tama ba ako Chef Mark? We have to keep the oven in heat after ng steaming process.
Maximum temperature.
Maximum temperature ng oven natin is 250 degrees Celsius. So, pag tinanggal nyo yung steamed lechon, huwag nyo munang patayin. Just keep it in heat. Tapos, lagyan nyo na yung mixture natin. And then, pag binalik nyo na, you really have to keep an eye on it kasi baka masunog siya. Kailangan nyo rin siyang i-turn every side para mag-even yung crispiness niya at saka yung pagkaluto niya. Alright? So ngayon, nahiwa na namin, titikman na namin yung lechon namin. Alright? And we'll let you know. Uy, laki-laki to.
Ito. Sarap.
Narinig niyo yun? Ganun ka-crispy yung lechon namin at ang lasa, napakasarap. Guys, I hope you tried nyo to and once you've tried it, please let us know. Take a picture and put it on our comments below, okay? And it will be great to interact. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. And Chef Mark, may babatiin ka?
Binabati ko yung nanay ko sa Pampanga, sa Makabebe. Kumusta kayo dyan?
And ako po, akong i-say hi lang ang mga taga Cebu, especially mga taga Barangay Cugon Pardo, Sitio Caimito, mga kasilinganan nako, mga taga Cebu. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. There is a Wandering Kusina. This is our Lechon Belly. Daghang salamat og mga unsa mi.
Ngaon.
Mga unsa ta. Alright, thank you. Peace.